Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into AT&T email account. Follow the steps and watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post our new videos. Now let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC. Now type att.net and press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will direct it to its official website. Now here you can see sign in button on the top right of the screen. Tap on it and wait for some time. It will take you to its login page. Here type in your user ID and your password of your account. You can reveal your password by tapping on show button and confirm your password before moving on. If you can't remember your password, tap on forget password and recover your password. If you have forgotten your user ID, then tap on forget user ID and recover your user ID. Now after all the details have been typed, tap on sign in button and get logged into your account. I hope this video helped you to get logged into your account. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. I will be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.